Hey all, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. Today, I want to go over some fundamental guidelines for keeping you and others safe on the road. When riding an e-bike or any bike, keep these few things in mind. First off, you want to be predictable. Make a conscious effort to alert others on the road what your intentions are. This involves signaling your upcoming turns. To do so, extend your left arm out to indicate a left turn and raise your left arm at a 90-degree angle to indicate a right turn. To indicate to others that you're slowing down or coming to a stop, use your left arm pointed straight down. When passing, always use your voice or bell. Leave sufficient space before an intersection so you and others have enough time to react to potential hazards that can arise. Second, make sure you follow the traffic laws in your area. Obey traffic lights and stop signs as any other vehicle would. Most of the laws that apply to cars apply exactly the same for bikes. Traffic laws make it safer for everyone on the road. While riding on a road used by cars, stay to the right of your lane, but always maintain your own personal safety. If you need to declare yourself in the center lane to avoid doors opening or debris in the road, you should do so. Don't ride with headphones in, as you need all of your senses at full attention when navigating traffic, and headphones impede your ability to hear cars and communication from other road users. Finally, be as visible as possible. Use your headlights and taillights to illuminate the roadway as well as alert other road users to your presence, especially at night. And do not assume others can see you. Make eye contact with cars, cyclists, and pedestrians to confirm that they're aware of your presence. Like many things in life, communication is key. By relaying information to cars and other cyclists on the road, we can make the roadway safer and more fun for everyone. Ride rad and stay tuned for the next video.